Once upon a time, in a deep and beautiful forest, there lived a fierce lion. He was very strong and hunted animals every day. All the animals in the forest were scared of him. No one felt safe. One day, the animals gathered together. They were tired of living in fear. A wise old deer said, "We must find a way to stop the lion from killing so many of us." After a long discussion, they made a plan. They decided to send one animal each day to the lion as his food. This way, the lion would not hunt and kill many animals at once. The animals went to the lion and explained their plan. The lion agreed and said, "Fine, but if you fail to send my food one day, I will hunt and kill all of you." From the next day, animals started going one by one to the lion. One day, it was the turn of a small rabbit. The rabbit was very clever. As he walked slowly toward the lion's den, he thought, "I must find a way to save myself and all the animals." He took a long time on purpose. The lion became very angry because his food was late. When the rabbit finally arrived, the lion roared loudly, "Why are you so late? I will kill you right now." The rabbit trembled but spoke calmly, "Your Majesty, I am not late by choice. I was on my way with another rabbit, but a second lion stopped us. He said he is the real king of the forest." The lion got furious. "What? Another lion in my forest? Take me to him immediately." The clever rabbit said, "Yes, Your Majesty, please follow me." The rabbit led the lion to a deep well. He pointed inside and said, "He lives down there." The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection in the water. Thinking it was another lion, he roared loudly. The reflection roared back. Blinded by anger, the lion shouted, "I will destroy you," and he jumped into the well to attack the other lion. But there was no other lion, only water. The lion fell inside and drowned. The rabbit happily returned to the forest and told everyone what had happened. All the animals were overjoyed. They were finally free from fear. Moral of the story: wisdom is stronger than brute strength.